Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make homemade coconut milk. Why homemade coconut milk when you can get milk all around you? It's very good to know how to make things yourself. If you do know how to make homemade coconut milk, you will use it anytime you want and you can have it any day of the year. So let's get started. For today's recipe, all you need is coconut. Shake it. The water is in, that's to tell you it's good. Then I will need knife to peel the back of the coconut when I crack it open. But just knife to break the coconut, or anything heavy you can use hammer to break it open. And when you are using the butcher's knife, make sure you use the blunt side, not the sharp side. I have strainer, sieve, and then cheesecloth. That will help us to get the juice out of the coconut when blended, and of course a blender. You can grate it if you want to, but the best way to do it is to blend it. That will make you to get all the juice being extracted from the coconut. What are the benefits of coconut milk? As we all know, coconut is good when we take it in to our body, and when you drink coconut milk, it is very close to mother's milk. So if you are breastfeeding, it's good for you. You can be having coconut milk because it has an acid in it that can only be found in mother's milk, and the acid is called lauric acid, L-A-U-R-I-C. Coconut milk is good for hair, it's good for your skin, it's good for everything. It helps you to get rid of skin problem, any skin problem you have, like pimples, you have any problem with the skin. It has antibacterial properties. So what are we waiting for? Let's go on. I'll be using just one coconut for our coconut milk recipe for today. So I'll be breaking into it by using the blunt side of the knife, and this bowl is there to collect the coconut water. I don't want to miss it. Keep on. Wow, see, okay. This is so nice. This is the water from the coconut, and one thing about it is that the more the water is in it, that's to tell you that the coconut is not well matured. But if you have little water like this, that's to tell you that the coconut is well matured. So what I will do now, I will take my knife and I'll just bring out the coconut flesh from it. Be careful. Empty. But this shape is so nice. I don't think I'll be throwing them away. I'll have something to do with them. Let's keep this aside. Look at our coconut, the flesh. So what I'll be doing is I want to peel off the back, the brown side of it, because I won't be needing it. I'll peel it off, wash it, and I'll show you what to do next. I've done the back, I've peeled it off, everything is white. So what I'll be doing, I'll be cutting them in small pieces so that it will be able to fit into my blender. And I'll blend. I've cut it into pieces and I've put them in my blender. So what I'll be doing is I will add a little bit of water and blend. I've finished blending. is it. I use 1 cup of water to help the coconut to blend well. So what I'll be doing is I will open this blender up. Oh my days, it's so gorgeous, so creamy. I'll put it through the sieve. Squeeze it out. See how creamy it is, and it's so white. I got this color because I took out the brown back of it. Look at the shaft. I think we can still get more out of this. I'm going to put this in the blender, add a little bit of water and blend again. This is the second blending. I'm going to do it just the same way. Pass it through the sieve, the cheesecloth. You can see it's not as creamy as the first one. Squeeze it. Yeah. So look at our shaft, look at how white it is. So what am I going to do with this? Can you advise me? I think I've got an idea. I'll keep this. I will show you what I'm going to be doing with this later in another video. Nothing must be wasted. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you have not yet subscribed, if you like what you see so far, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. This will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. See our milk, our homemade coconut milk. Look at it. Oh my, it's so creamy. Wow. From coconut in the shell to coconut milk in the glass. You can have this just like that. You can put it in the fridge to get chilled. Have it. You can have it with your tea, coffee. You can have it with your cereal. If you are lactose intolerant, you can have it because it's just plant-based, and everyone can have it. So when you hold coconut in your hands now, you have +1 thing to do with it. It's not just for cracking, drinking the water and then eating the flesh of the coconut. You can also make coconut milk out of it. Why don't you try this simple, wonderful recipe at home, which is good for your skin and your beauty? From coconut to coconut milk. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, because when you explore, you will discover loads of new things, and when you discover loads of new things, you will enjoy it a lot. Before you go, please like this video, share with your friends and families, click on the subscribe button, give your comment in the comment section. Till next time, bye.